always thinking of catching the hardtail. Every time I cast my line into the water, when I reels, I see that I hope or I wish that I can catch only the hardtail because I like the hardtail. But sometimes, I'm wishing too much and only I got is this remora. So like right now, I thought earlier it was a big fish like flounder or pampano. But when I look, I said, oh no, this is the same thing that I always catch in the beginning of my fishing. I don't know what happened, but every time I cast for the first time, I had this remora or suckerfish. So the last month that I was here, in the very beginning of my first cast in my line in the ocean is remora. I caught them like 3 times. So look at this. Yes, so I have 2 suckerfish and they are so heavy to reel. Hi. But anyway, I just return them there. And I will try again, hoping that they are not come back in my line anymore. Alright, bye you guys. Yes, bye-bye. Don't eat my bait anymore.